Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be factory resetting this. So that means everything is gonna be deleted, okay, within the device itself. Your account that's online, let's say you have a Google account, it's gonna stay online. That way you guys can go into another tablet and just set it up there. This will just get all your information out of this tablet, okay? So it's gonna delete everything from within it. So right now, that's exactly what we're gonna do. So tap down here below, then scroll down, go into your settings. Under your settings, scroll down again. You're gonna see system. Under system, scroll down. You're gonna see reset options. Go into reset options. And right here, you guys have a bunch. What you want to do is erase all data, factory reset. That means we're gonna bring it back to how it was when you guys brought it brand new and you had to set up for the very first time. Yep, that's what you're gonna do. So usually if you're selling this or maybe something's really wrong with it, you have to do this, okay? Or if you want to return it to the store where you bought it from. Anyways, we're gonna erase right now. It's gonna say this, press on erase all data. And right now it's gonna, you just have to confirm with this because you're erasing everything. So they have to make sure that you know what you're doing. So right now it's just gonna restart. It's gonna be erasing and just leave it as is. If you don't have enough battery, you should be charging this while this is happening, by the way. So I would suggest having at least 50% of your battery. If it's an older tablet, I would have it charging even if it's at 80% of your battery, just because. So once again, what we're doing right now is deleting everything from within the tablet. Nothing online is being deleted. So if you guys have pictures online on your Google account or anywhere else saved on your accounts, it's not deleting that. It's just information within the tablet. And at this point in time, if you guys did have a SIM card in there, I would just take it out. Of course, they recommend you turning this off when you're taking that out. So make sure to do that. But that can be done at the very end or even before you've done this. So right now you guys see this, hi there. That means it's ready to set up again. So you guys can go on and just set it up again with the same information, different information. If you're selling it, returning it, I would just turn it off for now. So you just hold on to the power button and turn it off. So that's how you guys can just turn this off just by pressing there and it's completely shut down. So that's how to truly turn this off, completely turn it off. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.